Indonesia.
Aha, Eric, benar?
Dari Bali,
Yeah, benar?
5 jam.
Yeah. I think you'd like this place.
Besok
Tidak ada
baru
orang.
sampai di Flores.
Senang kapal laut? Nani?
Sangat
Nani.
Senang.
Bohong.
Kami mual.
Ya.
Tapi
Lebih
tadi
baik di sini.
siang, Neni sangat mual.
Aha, well,
Selalu di dalam kamar.
Well, harus coba di luar.
Meme menyuruh Neni supaya di luar
Yes.
biar dapat udara segar.
Benar. The kapal laut. Ada tempat tidur. Ada ibu. Ada Nani.
Ada saya.
Eric. Eric.
Ada Erik. Ada Erik.
And there's these places to sleep. And this big room where a whole bunch of people sleep. Like hundreds and hundreds of people. And I just found out that to get to the harbor with all of our stuff, like tons of it, on these little boats here. Okay. Like that. Hopefully not. Hopefully one as big as these. But there's hundreds of people that gotta get off here. Came to help us. I hope he's got enough people. Orang tua. They've made it to the boat. I'm on the little boat now, but come down this thing with like 100,000 people getting off on and off at the same time. Toss Meme. Toss Meme. Kapal besar.
Pagal di Flores.
Happy? Bahagia? Okay, now we've made it as far as the car here. I slept here in Bajo, harbor town, and let's see, there were 13 people here sleeping in this house, and I slept good. People, but we all fit. Hi, Eric. Sleep good? Nanny? Getting ready for school. Fish was very good.
Yeah.
Came from this kitchen here. Pemasak bagus. And stopping waiting for other tourists here. Or other passengers, I should say. Probably not tourists. In Rutang, where Marsel has family, spending about an hour and a half here before we move on. We'll see if we can see everybody here. Banyak tetangga, banyak keluarga. Siapa ini? It's Eric. Hi, Eric. Nani? Masih mual? Marcel, masih muntah?
Muntah 2 kali.
Oh, fun. Meme tidak, Meme senang. We're in the dapur, but everyone, they hot photos. Semuanya cantik sekali. Scenery here. Big mountains around Marcel's property. 17 of us crowded into this one car here. Wish I could show you everybody, but problem is 3 of them are hanging on the side there, and I can't really get them in the video. Arrived at Pagal, and lots of family here to greet us. A whole room full of family. There's so many people, I'll never figure them all out. Banyak orang di sini. Banyak keluarga. Yang paling ganteng. Yang paling cantik.
Dadah.
Sini.
Yang paling cantik.
And yang paling lucu is Eric. Dadah.
Kami tengah sambali dia di tete yang asang dia. Tengah sang dia kemapa mai. Bozot mau sakat sangkai tengah sang itendai andai mapa mai kurta. Orne beho gamanduk ndai tengah sate bang tengah sang tete mai. Ngasang man hiya Marsel. Gitu kole meu gitu ngas tegidam. Meu den pe aku lagi.
Tonight, the second night in Flores.
Hai, selamat Selamat datang Pagal di Flores.
Gimana? Ini Flores.
Sangat dingin di sini.
Setuju.
Banyak rumput.
Lebih dingin di Amerika, tapi
No,
sedikit dingin.
tidak, ya, tidak lebih
Jaket di
dingin.
sini.
But tidak ada selimut tebal.
Rumah itu kayu, ada pohon kopi, ada pohon mangga, ada pohon jeruk. Itu pasar senggol,
Pasar apa?
pasar rakyat.
On video, di Amerika bisa lihat anak ini. Tinggal di mana? Tinggal di mana? The landscape around here, mountains all around. Goes all the kids to school. As Marsel says, traditional bridge. He's right. Kids going to SA. Nice little wooden houses here. Auto Oran. Pretty nice here. Good little town. Okay, some houses are woven bamboo stuff, and then some are cement, and some are wood. Catholic Church di Pagal with Gunung di belakang and anak sekolah. To Poka, and this is what we get to ride in. Okay, guess I'll get on.
Saya sedang menaik mobil truk.
I think like 29 of us or something like that. Headed to Poka in this car. Here we are. Leaving Pagal. There's the school. The Sante is middle school. And there's the kid. It's pretty rough here. So it should be a rough ride. Old friends here. They haven't seen Marsel for a long time. Greeting us from the side here. They haven't seen Max, Hughes, and Marsel for a long time. Pretty rice fields here too. I can't take them because we're bouncing up and down so much. Maybe we can see the town we're headed to way down there, but I don't know. Probably not. Tried to get up this hill, but we couldn't make it. We're going to try it again here. And if the camera goes over, so do I. There's one of the hanger-oners hanging on the side. Hiya. Okay, these kids are busy at work here. Getting all this stuff off. And we made it on that truck. And this was definitely a four-wheel drive road.
Halo Mimi.
Masih hidup. Time for walking? Harus jalan kaki? Mimi, di mana kuda?
Tidak ada kuda, kita harus jalan kaki.
No, you said tidak ada kuda, harus naik babi.
Naik
That's
babi
what you
boleh
said.
bisa juga, tapi babi nggak bisa jalan.
There's Stoppy and the truck turn around here. That's another question with everybody trying to help out. Here's our trail. Okay, our trail to Poka. It's not wide. Lots of stuff to bring. Here we go. Oop. Heading down the trail. The trail was a lot harder than I expected. Big drop-offs and slippery. There is a river. Hopefully I get to take my baths in there. And really good rice fields everywhere. That one. Harus bawa. And ini harus bawa. There's my great big army bag with one little kid carrying it. And here we go. And that noise you heard was our welcome. Welcoming us Pulang Kampung, returning home. Marsel being greeted by the Poka folks. Marsel has just turned into a traditional dressed guy from Poka, and all these people, like maybe 70 people, 60, 70 people, come to greet us. Banyak.